The content of this video is how to correctly install NVIDIA's Isaac Sim and Isaac Lab, including what mistakes to avoid. Why do we need Isaac Sim and Isaac Lab? Because we focus on two application scenarios, and these two tools are needed for these scenarios. The first application scenario is teleoperation. For example, there is a nursing home in Japan that needs cleaners to clean the bathrooms and tidy up the rooms. However, labor in Japan is expensive. If they want to hire employees from abroad, they need to go through the visa process, which is cumbersome and may lead to future troubles, including the impact of immigration on the social order. The teleoperation solution is that there are several robots in the Japanese nursing home. When the robots are cleaning the bathrooms and tidying up the rooms, foreign employees control the robots remotely from abroad, thus avoiding the various troubles associated with immigration procedures. When performing teleoperation, foreign employees need to see the workplace of the nursing home over the internet. The simplest solution is to transmit the video captured by the robot's camera to the foreign employees in real time. By remotely controlling the robot to look around, the foreign employees can roughly sketch out a three-dimensional map of the working site in their minds. Is it possible to use a computer, instead of a human brain, to process the video and sketch out a three-dimensional map of the workplace? 3D reconstruction technology is a hot research topic. In the process of 3D reconstruction, we need to use a simulation engine, and Isaac Sim is currently the most powerful simulation engine in the world. The second application scenario is to use reinforcement learning algorithms to train robots to perform various actions. It is feasible to use a robot's physical body for the training, but the training efficiency is low. Moreover, during the training process, if collisions or other incidents occur, causing damage to the robot, the training cost will be high. Training robots through simulation needs to build a 3D model of the robot's body, strictly replicating the angles, torque, forces, and so on, of each joint of the robot. Reinforcement learning algorithms are often used for robot training. GYM is the de facto standard for robot training, consisting of three parts. First, GYM has collected many robot 3D models. Second, GYM has collected many reinforcement learning algorithms, and has standardized their APIs, significantly reducing the learning cost of reinforcement learning. Third, GYM implements a universal environment framework, allowing various robot 3D models to use various reinforcement learning algorithms. NVIDIA develops Isaac Lab based on Isaac Sim, connecting the GYM framework to Isaac Sim Simulator. Due to the rapid evolution of Isaac Sim and Isaac Lab, the products are not very stable, which makes the installation error-prone. Especially when making multiple errors at the same time, the error messages are very confusing. We wrote down our practice in GitHub, which is a successfully installation of Isaac Sim 4.0 and Isaac Lab on an Ubuntu 22.04 computer. Hopefully it will a reminder how to avoid the mistakes that we made.